Are you having trouble with slow playlists or show playlists on the Spotify app? If your playlists aren't appearing, you can't find them, or the show playlists option isn't displaying correctly, these troubleshooting tips may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix show playlists on Spotify app. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Spotify app. Then here on this page, you will go to above to profile. You'll find this page. You click on settings and privacy. Then in this window, you will move to privacy and social. And here in the privacy and social, you will find playlists. You will find here, as you see, to show it. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.